Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the heating element in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel and set it aside. Insert a putty knife above the front access panel to release the spring clips to detach the panel. Remove the lint screen. Next, use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the screws to release the air duct. Unthread the 4 screws securing the heater shield. Detach the shield. Disconnect the heating element wires. Use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread the left side screw, securing the heating element to the housing. With the screw unthreaded, you can slide the old element out. Install the new heating element by sliding it into the housing. Thread the left side screw to secure. Connect the wires to the element terminals. Reposition the heater shield and secure it with the 4 screws. Realign the air duct and thread the screws to secure. Replace the lint screen. Align the front access panel spring clips with the slots and snap the panel into place. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.